Oh, good afternoon everyone. It's still Saturday the 17th, and as it says on the caption, it's after that late lunch now. I decided to play with a couple of live steam ones as well as the Ginty and the Panya this afternoon, and lit them both up. The M7 was up and running first and out there, and performing very well. I put 4 carriages on her, and that didn't really slow her down as much as I thought it might. So as you can see, both engines are performing quite well and rather quickly for my liking, but there we are. There should have been a little bit of the electric ones running while the others were raising steam, but somehow or other I seemed to mess up the recording there. But here we are. I decided to try and slow down the auto tank by putting an extra carriage on, but initially I tried to get it to propel the carriage so it was like, auto coach in front, auto coach behind, like they did. But that was working fine, but then we got a little bit of buffer locking, which was disappointing, I must say. But there we are, not to worry. So it's just after there that I changed around, and we should see her pushing the other. Oh well, apparently not. Yes, beautifully choreographed these videos. Oh, I see the M7's over the back coming round. That's what we're watching. Couple of 3 stops during the afternoon for fuel and gas. And the M7 though did a very good performance for a lot of the afternoon. And I was able to actually fit the roof and the coal load back in. It is possible to access the regulator through the side door, so that was nice. That tidied it up, and I do need to make a coal load for the auto tank. But as you can see, Mallard will be looking to its laurels a little with the way that M7's performing. Still haven't put the other auto coach on the engine. We should see that happening soon, though at the moment we've just got the auto tank coming through at a slightly more leisurely pace than the M7, though even the auto tank got a little bit spirited later on. Well, I think that's quite spirited really for an auto tank. So here comes the M7. I think it's definitely the world record holder at the moment. Should have put another 2 carriages on. There goes the auto tank again, and look at the speed of that. Good gracious, bonkers. Yeah. Oh, here we are. So propelling there. It's strange because it was fine round there to start with. I don't know, somehow it ended up buffer locking later on. Nil desperandum. This is roughly where the buffer locking occurred, so after that you'll see that we've now got them trailing, but not slowing the auto tank down very much. Good performance. Sorry about the wind noise on here from time to time. Haven't got the fluffy device on here on the iPhone. But the auto tank's putting in a good performance. The M7's on a pit stop at the moment. That's fine. pleased to say that after refuelling, the M7 is now running with the cab roof and coal load in. So tidies it up enormously. Very, very good. The telltale sound of the pannier tank lets us know that the auto tank is now retired for the afternoon and is sitting in the loop cooling down. I wish my experience with the A4 had been the same as my experience with the M7, which has proved to be a very good little engine. So we're coming to the end now. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you did like it, please give it a like and share it with anyone who might enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.